Is it finally happening? Rumors are swirling that DJI, best known for its drones, gimbals, and cinema cameras, is preparing to enter the mirrorless camera market. And not just with any camera, but a full-frame L-mount mirrorless model that could shake up the industry. According to growing reports, the company might unveil this new camera as soon as November 15th, featuring a corner-mounted EVF, a boxy Sony FX3-like design, and the signature Hasselblad color science. While none of this has been officially confirmed, the conversation has caught serious traction across tech forums, social media, and camera news outlets. At first glance, it might sound too ambitious. After all, the full-frame mirrorless segment is a tough market to break into. But the more you look at DJI's track record and recent developments, the more sense it starts to make. DJI has already proven its imaging capabilities with products like the Ronin 4D, which introduced cutting-edge cinema technology, modular lens systems, LiDAR focusing, and integrated gimbal stabilization in one powerful package. The company also joined the L-mount Alliance in 2022, giving it immediate access to a well-established lens ecosystem shared by Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. Combine that with Hasselblad's color science, something DJI fully owns after acquiring the brand, and you suddenly realize that DJI already has everything it needs to build a serious full-frame contender. A strategic next step. The rumored specs paint an exciting picture. A 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, L-mount or DL-mount compatibility, 4K 120 frames per second, 10-bit ProRes RAW video, 4-axis gimbal, like IBIS, and smart connectivity features such as instant RAW transfer to a phone or cloud. It's also said to include advanced subject tracking, weather sealing, and an integrated EVF. If these details are accurate, DJI isn't just targeting the casual photographer. It's aiming directly at hybrid shooters and video professionals who demand versatility, image quality, and mobility. This would align perfectly with DJI's existing product ecosystem. The company's current portfolio, from Osmo Action and Osmo Pocket to Ronin gimbals and Avata drones, all cater to creators who prioritize stabilization, intelligent tracking, and cinematic visuals. A full-frame mirrorless camera could act as the missing piece in that ecosystem, bridging the gap between consumer-level tools and professional cinema gear. But breaking into this market won't be easy. The mirrorless landscape is dominated by a few giants. Sony, Canon, and Nikon together control most of the global share, with Fujifilm and Panasonic competing in smaller niches. These brands have decades of experience, loyal user bases, and expansive lens libraries. DJI entering this space could easily be viewed as a long shot, but perhaps that's not the goal. What if DJI isn't trying to go head-to-head with Sony or Canon? The rumored design, reminiscent of Sony's FX3, suggests something more cinematic in intent, possibly a camera designed for creators who prioritize video-first features but still want interchangeable lens flexibility. That would place it in a growing segment between mirrorless hybrids and compact cinema cameras, a category that's gaining serious traction among YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and content creators. DJI's Ronin 4D has already proven the company's ability to innovate beyond traditional formats. That camera introduced 4-axis stabilization, something no other full-frame system offers natively, along with LiDAR-based autofocus and ProRes RAW recording. If the rumored mirrorless model borrows some of that technology while offering a more compact, modular body, it could easily find its niche. A lightweight, full-frame L-mount camera with built-in stabilization, Hasselblad color, and professional codecs at around €2,500 could be a dream tool for creators seeking cinematic quality without the complexity or price of a full cinema rig. From a business perspective, this move is logical. DJI already dominates several related markets: drones, stabilizers, microphones, and compact cameras. Each product connects to the next in a unified creative workflow. The missing link is an interchangeable lens camera that can stand on its own, yet integrates seamlessly with DJI's ecosystem. Moreover, the global interchangeable lens camera (ILC) market is still a lucrative one, valued at nearly $20 billion. Even though Canon and Sony together capture most of that revenue, there's still room for a new player that offers something different, particularly in the hybrid creator space where innovation is still happening rapidly. DJI already has its own DL mount lenses, designed for high-end aerial and cinema use. However, adopting the L mount standard would save DJI the trouble of building an entire lens lineup from scratch. There's already an excellent range of glass from Leica, Panasonic, Sigma, and even Chinese brands like Viltrox, which has become popular for producing high-quality lenses at accessible prices. For creators, this would mean instant access to a broad selection of optics right out of the box, a crucial advantage for any new system. If we take a step back, this rumored camera might not just be a new product. It could represent DJI's broader strategy to create a natural upgrade path for creators. The company already supports beginners with its Osmo and Action lines, mid-level users with Ronin gimbals, and professionals with the Ronin 4D. A full-frame mirrorless model would sit perfectly in the middle, offering an affordable entry into DJI's professional ecosystem while giving aspiring filmmakers room to grow. DJI's ownership of Hasselblad means it can leverage decades of medium-format expertise in color accuracy, tone rendering, and image depth, elements that could give its mirrorless camera a distinct visual character. For creators, that means images that look rich and cinematic right out of the camera, minimizing the need for heavy color grading. The corner-mounted EVF, if true, could also hint at DJI's attempt to design something truly original. While it sounds like a small detail, ergonomics matter greatly in camera design. A corner EVF could make the camera more comfortable for video shooters, while the FX3-like form factor would appeal to those who prefer a cage-free, modular setup. If DJI actually launches this full-frame mirrorless camera, the ripple effect could be significant. The company's entry would immediately put pressure on competitors to innovate further, particularly in video performance and stabilization technology. DJI's deep experience in motion control and AI tracking could lead to new breakthroughs in autofocus and subject tracking, areas where Sony currently leads, but where DJI could easily compete thanks to its drone-derived technologies. That said, success would depend on pricing, performance, and ecosystem support. At an estimated €2,500, this rumored model could undercut full-frame rivals like Sony's A7S III and Canon's R6 Mark II, offering better video specs in a more compact, creator-friendly design. If DJI nails the execution, it might not need to steal huge market share. It just needs to establish a foothold as the go-to hybrid camera for creators and filmmakers.